Welcome back to the vlog, viewers. It is about 11:15 on Sunday morning. Microwave trying to bother me. We're trying to watch Favor's vlogs over there on YouTube. Kat's playing her little farm game, and I'm over here working hard, microwaving the leftover chilies. Yeah. So, finna smash some leftovers for like a brunch on Sunday morning. The weekend is coming to an end. The air mattress is being deflated. Sad days. So it's 12:22 p.m. We're deflating the air mattress, picking up, cleaning up, stuff like that. Kat's going to take a shower in a little while. Then I'm going to shower and get ready. And then we're going to load up the car and head out, probably. Head back to the other home. Hate to leave, but got to go to work tomorrow. Well, it's all deflated now, viewers. Now we have to get it folded up so it goes back into wherever the bag is that it came from. So hard. And there you go, viewers. We managed to get the queen-size air mattress deflated and completely folded up and into its little storage bag. It takes skill and 2 people, but we can do it. I think I got some vacuuming last night, and now we're vacuuming again, picking up and getting things cleaned up for the week.
Gotta keep it clean. It's like my vacation home.
Right. Okay, viewers, I'm all showered and cleaned up. Kat is all cleaned up, packed up. I wanted to show you my OOTD. Kat's told me to buy this shirt several times. I bought it, I think, in Houston. Or I might have bought it, I don't remember when I bought it, but it's this season. It is a plaid patchwork pony long sleeve black tee. It is a 10 out of 10. It's very soft, very warm. I like it. But here we go. We're all packed up. Got trash ready. Kat's packed up.
I'm only spending 2 nights in Jackson. I have to take all this.
Well, I mean, I only spent like 3 nights here, and I brought all this, and I bought all this. So, we're going to get loaded up. Kat is prepared to make her 7 brew that she ordered yesterday. We've got stuff happening.
Work smarter, not harder.
Amen. So Kat has made her 7 brew.
My large ice blondie, extra sweet, and here's what's left.
She got one without ice but full fill, so she has a little extra.
I feel like I've forgotten something.
Well, you'll be back Tuesday.
Boom.
Okay, viewers. All the stuff's been carried out. We have filled a GMC Terrain with shopping and luggage from a 3-day weekend.
Too real.
So now we are heading out. I forgot we left the cabinets open and the sink dribbling because it's supposed to be cold. We did the same in the bathroom.
It's rain and snow.
Yeah, so preparing for the winter. Okay, viewers, I have used my superpowers of wearing that jacket so that I could take the trash to the little trash dump here at the apartments. And now we're getting on the road. Oh no, viewers.
Looks like everybody's getting over into the other lane.
Oh no, viewers. It's a little Jimmy Jam. We got a little traffic Jimmy Jam. I hate you, I-40. So we got out of our Jimmy Jam, viewers, but it looks like they're having one on the other side to cross the river. I hope somebody didn't have an accident on the Tennessee River Bridge. Woo-hoo. That'll be a holiday weekend mess.
Can you imagine?
Ugh. Okay, viewers, I lied. It's a big Jimmy Jam. Like, it's still ongoing, and we have been several miles since the river now. Oh, I'm glad I'm not over there.
But I'm not going back right now.
I always put my phone down at the wrong times, viewers. Look how far it stretches into infinity. As far as the eye can see. Traffic jam.
Looks like we're about to get in one.
Oh no, is it happening on both sides of the road?
Oh no, maybe the brake lights are just moving. Oh no, I can't tell.
Well, stay tuned, viewers. I'll come back with an update.
Oh, no, can't.
Okay, viewers, it doesn't look like the traffic jam extends as far as like 6 or 7 miles. But there are a lot of semis off the road, like napping because they know what awaits. Oh, is this truck trying to warn people? I always want to be like, there's a traffic jam ahead.
Yeah.
Prepare. Oh, is that sign warning them? What does it say?
Something.
Caution, slow traffic ahead. Honey, there is stopped traffic ahead. Okay, viewers, it is still ongoing. This is absolutely wild. If you were stuck in the I-40 Tennessee River Bridge traffic jam of Thanksgiving weekend 2025, comment below.
We were at 62 miles, like, when you were first reporting on the traffic jam.
Oh my gosh, so this has been going on for 20-ish miles. Intermittent traffic jam. Oh, I feel so badly for them. I'm so sorry, guys. I really don't even know what's holding you up. Look, viewers, do you see where the cars are accumulating up there? That's the start of traffic. It's probably not really. It's probably just a thin spot in reality. It's probably not the actual start of traffic. Okay, viewers, here's a traffic update. I saw a Tennessee TDOT Hazard Incident Response Unit. What is he doing? And it had a sign that said slow traffic, caution, crash ahead. But I'm like, this crash is now like 20 miles ahead. So it must be a fairly severe accident on the Tennessee River Bridge, I guess. Based on where we saw it, noticed it start. So we made it home, and I had to run an errand, and while I was inside, Kat cleared this one space, and we're picking up our dad from work to take him to the house.
It's 4:40 on
Yes.
Sunday.
Sunday, November 30th, 2025.
Oh, here he comes.
So, I guess that's all for now. You got to get it on the other side. Ooh, this car's full.